Arman bhai, thank you so much. I remember meeting you before the tournament started. Now that the tournament is over and you are the champions, what does this win mean to you personally?
Oh my gosh, this means this. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? This is what it means to me. You know what? There was a dream, and it was a long short dream. Baba just gave into the energy, the sink in feelings, everything into me. And I said, okay, Papa, if you want me to do this, I promise you, मैं पूरी शिद्दत के साथ उसको करूँगा. मुझे पता है कि मैंने कैसे प्लेयर्स उठाए हैं, मैं कहाँ कहाँ गया हूँ, उन प्लेयर्स को मिला हूँ. 4 मार्की प्लेयर्स के लिए मैं 4 डिफरेंट सिटीज़ में गया हूँ. कोचीन में गया हूँ, कन्नूर में गया हूँ, जम्मू कश्मीर गया हूँ, छत्तीसगढ़ गया है, बॉम्बे आया हूँ. कहाँ से मैंने प्लेयर्स उठाए हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई डू वांट टू मेंशन दिस. हिज नेम इज दीपक and another name is Santosh. He's right there. Deepak is not here and Aarti is not here, but I know my heart is so full of thank them because they helped me a lot to make this team. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.
Arman bhai, are you going to sleep with the trophy? What is that first thing you're going to do with it?
Yeah, I'm totally blank. Honestly, I'm blank. You know, the pain is sinking in more than the feeling. The pain which I have been having from last 5 days. Now it is sinking in my shoulders, my neck, my back. Everything is paining badly. And now I realize ki okay, this is what it takes to win a trophy.
Any one moment from the entire experience or today's match that you recall every day or sometime in your career?
Like recall after today's match?
Could be today's match, any moment from the tournament that makes this victory sweeter?
No, yes, this victory definitely makes the sweetest, I would say, because this is my first ever trophy.
किससे डेडिकेट करोगे अनएक्सपेक्टेड में अगर किसी को करना हो तो?
अनएक्सपेक्टेड में मैं करूँगा जो दीपक है जिसने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया था और संतोष जिसने मेरी टीम की हेल्प की है, और इन दोनों को मैं मिला हूँ आरती के थ्रू, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं उनको बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ.
Finally, you have had many milestones. Where would you rank this particular milestone of today?
I think this has been the number one. This has to be the number one. You know, it takes a lot of effort. It's countless. The countless efforts to bringing all these friends here under one roof for 3 days, cheering up for me. I've earned something in life. I have earned something in life that they are there for me. They have sacrificed their dates, their work schedule, everything, and they was just there with me. I'm so thankful. I bow down to them that they came for me. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Brother,
Thank you for being there. Thank you for being there for me.
Celebration has just begun. Please enjoy the night, and of course, Ganpati Bappa is coming. तो एक गणपति बप्पा के लिए हो जाए. Ganpati Bappa Moria!
And let me tell you, I make my Ganpati with my own hands. Every year, I keep 5 days Ganpati. I host them for 5 days. If at all you be there in Mumbai, I welcome you with my open arms.
Brother,
Please,
that
all
means
of
a
you
lot.
guys, please come. Please come. Because it means a lot to me.
This man has officially invited us, so
Yes.
definitely on the guest list, brother.
Yes.
Coming out there.
Great.
And thank you so much. Please enjoy this moment. Please.